Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Avengers in Trading. Today is Friday, December the 10th, 2021, and we're going to be looking at a couple of biomedical companies, Moderna and Nvax. Let's see where these vaccine companies are doing and where they're at right now. So let's cover Moderna first, and then also we'll cover Pfizer as well. Might as well. So as you can see here, big picture, we've been on some kind of downtrend. So I don't know if we found a bottom yet. It's just really negative right now. So even if you draw it right here, it's been lower highs. So I would assume eventually it's going to find some kind of bottom, but at one point this was the bottom. And then now this is the bottom right here. So, but have we found a true bottom before it does a true bounce? These bounces are crazy though. I mean, from 230 up here, it'll bounce all the way up to 350. So are we running out of juice before we hit apex, before the next big move? It looks like it, since we've had lower highs. So eventually it's gonna break out of this lower high pattern here and maybe break up or even break down worse. It all depends on the news, right? So it depends on what kind of news Moderna gives us or whatever, and what the sentiments are from the people. But anyways, you see what's going on. It's been lower highs. It has not found a bottom yet. Even 4 hour here we hit negative. So let's go ahead and draw a vertical line right there, just so we can see when the oscillators have hit negative. So it hit right around there. So that just helps us keep some kind of like track, But anyways, 4 hour and 1 day are negative. So when I see a real reversal, that's when I might hop in. But right now, it just doesn't seem like it's over. They're just going to keep on beating us down with these bounces and then trap us and then, drop down on us. Let's look at Nvax here. All right, Nvax. Similar situation. So let's go ahead and measure this on the 4 hour. As you can see here on the 1 day, we have, or the 4 hour, we've hit negative since December 3rd. So it's fighting this area right here. It's just chopping around sideways for now. And the 1 day has hit negative officially as well. So you got to be careful about that. Let's pull up 1 week to see where we might be at on the 1 week. Have we hit negative there? Yeah, we were negative, and now we're just kind of chopping around, consolidating, whatever you want to call it. But 4 hour, let's see if we can find some kind of pattern here. As you can see here, it's something similar. It's not exactly fully like Moderna, but it is lower highs, just like that, right? So that's lower highs, and then it seems like this has been support right there. So it has hit support twice already. So one time here, and then 2 times there. So it's getting close to that area again. So when it reaches this apex, or starts squeezing a little bit more, then we might know the true direction. But right now, the only thing it seems like you can do is really scalp bounces or whatever like that. So who knows what Nvax is really going to do, but it's been lower highs and it's bounced off the same price range right here around this area. So just be aware of that. So if it comes back down here again around the 120 area, that's where I would be interested in scooping it up. But at 166 is in the middle of nowhere. So unless you just want a dollar cost average your way through. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at Pfizer. So we know where we're at right here in the 4 hour and 1 day on Nvax. So it's just building this form right here. Anyways, let's look at Pfizer. Have you been giving us any kind of action lately? Yeah, so it's been higher highs. So we're still in the positive. So honestly, if you hit this on October 21st, you would have been really golden right now, just swing trading from October 21st. So kudos to you, whoever caught this around the 42 area, and it hooked right up like a beautiful pattern. So really nice, really nice. But anyways, it looks like it's on the like consolidating trend right now. So I don't know if it's a really good time to enter, but it's just consolidating, and it might take a few months before it finds the next big push, unless some kind of magical news comes along. But yeah, that's the move for now. Let me see here. So yeah, it's higher highs. So maybe I can find some kind of parallel channel or something. Who knows? Let's see if I draw this. Let's see what it might look like. So that's higher highs right there, and it's something like that. It doesn't look pretty, but maybe it might be the channel like this, So who knows? So just maybe expect some kind of pullback. But I don't know. It's just consolidating right now. So consolidating does mean a pullback. Sometimes it feels like a crash, depending on what your position is or whatever. But yeah, that's all I have for you on the vaccine stocks. If you want me to review any other ones here, just let me know, and I will talk to you later. See ya.